Good morning to all of my friends, brothers, and sisters. Last time met Cliff, a video about his Holiness the Dalai Lama's kindness to the boy. And they had so many different kinds of views from the different peoples. A majority says it's a kind of affection, showing the love and so. But some people has their own way of thinking and judgment on the basis of edited 20-second clip because they didn't show the whole video. That's why there's somebody who has made it purposely and propaganda from some government. That's why I wear my baby's hat on my eye, the right eye. Can you see me? I'm wearing my hats on my right eye. So that's why I can't see what is going on my right side. Only on the left side. So this is the symbol of how we look, how we judge, to know and thoroughly, to know fully, well known, to observe everything properly. We need to have look openly and nicely observed what is it. So like this way. So now I can see it. I can use my both eyes to look right and left, up and down, and backside too. Therefore, we can understand what is it. If I look here, only here, I can see the wall. Then I say this is a white, only white. If I come here, I see, no, this is only black. This is only black. How? It's not a black, it's not a white. It's a mixture everywhere, at different colors here in this world. So, and the world is formed with a different race, different cultures, different traditions, different beliefs. So, we Himalayan people have. I'm also a Himalayan people. I belong to Himalaya. I belong to Tibet. And almost all over the Himalayan people, we have same traditions. We have same language. But the dialect is a little bit different. Accent is a little bit different, but we use the same language. And we have almost same characters. And we use the tongue. We use the tongue not just only for tasting the food, not just only for speaking, and then we were not using tongue as a sex tool. That's 100% sure. The people who were using the tongue as sex tool, they feel, whenever they see a tongue's coming out, they feel sex. But for us, for Himalayan people, we use the tongue to feed the children, to tease and to play the children, to show the love and care, affection. Sometimes we also use tongue as expression of exhaust, or showing that I have nothing. I had given you everything. In positive way, I have given you everything. I have only tongue here. But sometimes, and like this way, and we made a mistake. So we use tongues for gesture, for expressions of different kind of things. Not the sex that you are thinking. And I was trying to say all this on my Facebooks for a couple of weeks before. And then I don't know. That many of my posts on the Facebook is not coming out. I don't know. Maybe I'm putting on the wrong way, Or sometimes I got a message notifying that they are going to observing or something, a blue letter, but my posts are not coming properly, and then which I shared also not coming properly. It comes a few days back. I don't know. But this video also, I don't know what will be happen. So every culture has different. Sorry, my baby was sick and I was sick. My baby, fortunately, many of my last video, in the last video I showed that now she slept on my chest. So, and the fortunate thing is that we are going to home today, and she's recovering well, and I'm happy that we're going home today. The doctors and nurses and the facilities are very super and excellent, very good. And thank you for the hospital, UZ Antwerpen, UZA, University of Hospital of Antwerpen, something like this. My brother and sister, I really don't have hesitate, anger, it's like a feeling of boycott or on you. Yeah, why should I have this? Because you made a mistake. You don't. I'm pretty sure that you don't have a mind to. You don't have a set minded. You set a mind to hurt Tibetan, to hurt Himalayan, or to hurt Dalai Lama, because you were on a way where you saw an edited video by the CCP. When you see it's on base of your culture, your culture is that when people sucking the tongue or taking out the tongue, it's a sign of molesting, harassing, and sex, on the case of children's. But for us, it is not. So this is the only difference between you and me, and taking advantage by the medias and then CCP and some of these YouTubers who wish to have a little more money. And they used their tool and you made fool, and they hurt us. But you are not the one that we get upset. And normally I don't get upset. I'm not angry. I have no frustrations. And I love everybody like my baby, like His Holiness did it. Okay. So I hope now there come a lot of so many clarification on the basis of tradition, on the basis of the full videos, and an Indian guy who has zoomed up the event, which is edited by the CCP and spreaded by the medias. He zoomed up when Dalai Lama asked the boy, just saying, you suck my tongue. When he pulled his tongue out like this, waiting to the boy's reaction, when boy was thinking, and he was about to sucking the tongue, Dalai Lama just take out his tongue. This was really clear in the zoomed up the edited video, which is edited. The Indian guy has made it zoomed up, and then from this they can see it very clearly. So there is no single doubt that we are using the sexual things with the boy, especially his numbers. He has a humor, he has a love, he has so many positive things to give the people. So I hope you got what I mean, but my English is not good. This is my not first language, second language. So I try to express this everything in English. I hope you got understood. And then thank you for in my last video. There are so many people asked me, "How about your boy? How about your girls?" But this is my girl, my daughter, and then we are fine. Yeah, I do have a YouTube channel on my name, Purbu Dundup. But the last video, normally I don't earn anymore anything from the YouTube. I just made it, and and especially the videos, the last video I didn't monetize it because I just want to spread this all over the world where it goes. And this also I'm not going to monetize now. So I hope you will see, and anyone who sees this, can you please spread to pass the message, pass this my message to the innocent people in the world who just saw this 20 seconds of edited video. My purpose is to make them realize what is our tradition, culture. When they see what is our culture and tradition, and then His Holiness has no intention to suck his tongue by this boy. He is just trying to teasing, showing the love to this boy. So if they know that, if they know clearly, then they will. I'm not demanding about you to apologize, but I'm sure when you see if you had reacted, then you will definitely react again on the basis of truth to apologize or to you your the statement the video is wrong. Okay, so this is my hope. Thank you very much, my brother and sister.